In the last videos, we have seen some problems regarding the chapter of bills of exchange for BCom second sem students. So now let's speak for few more problems to get better knowledge. We are dealing with the problem number 5 and the page number 820. Let's read the question. Ayush draws on Pratham 3 bills of rupees 6,000, 5,000 and 4,000 respectively. So here Ayush is the seller and Pratham is the purchaser. So Ayush will get the bill and the brother will pay the bill. So he has given 3 bills. One bill worth is 6,000 rupees, second is 5,000, third is 4,000 rupees. These bills were for 1 month, 2 months and 3 months respectively. So the due dates was given as, for first bill is 1 month, for second bill is 2 months and for third bill is 3 months. The first bill, which is 6,000 rupees, was endorsed to his creditor Adarsh. So what the Ayush has done? Ayush has done the first bill endorsed to his seller, that is Adarsh. The second bill was discounted with bank. The second bill was given to the bank, he has taken the amount for rupees 4,900. And third bill was sent to bank for collection. On the due dates, all the bills were duly met by Pratham. Past journal entries the books of Ayush, Pratham and Adarsh. So here we have to prepare the transactions based on their books. One is Ayush, second one is Pratham and third one is Adarsh book. So let's write the journal entries in their own books. First what happened? Ayush draws on Pratham 3 bills of 6,000, 5,000 and 4,000 respectively. So who is getting the bill? Ayush is receiving the bill. So first entry will be the, he is receiving the bill. So bills receivable account debit, give her the credit. Who is giving? Pratham is giving to Pratham account. How much? So directly we can write 6,000 plus 5,000 plus 4,000. Total we can write as 15,000. No need of writing the bill number 1 and 2 and 3. 15,000. And the next entry will be affected in the books of Pratham. So receiver the debit. Who is receiving the bill? Ayush is receiving the bill. Ayush account debit to he is paying the bill. Means bills payable. What portion is credit? Bills payable 15,000 rupees and 15,000 rupees. This is the first entry we have affected. And next what happened? These bills for 1 month, 2 months and 3 months respectively. They have not given the date, that's why we are not writing in the date column here. The first bill was endorsed to his creditor Adarsh. Who has endorsed? The bills is with Ayush now. So he has to endorse. To whom is endorsing? He is endorsing to Adarsh. So receiver is Adarsh. Adarsh account debit to whatever the bill is there, that is going bills receivable account. Amount will be 6,000 rupees. Here I am writing the narration specially. Being bill 1 endorsed to Adarsh. Means if I am not endorsing full bill 50,000 rupees, I am endorsing the only one bill, that is 6,000 rupees. And who is receiving here? Adarsh is receiving. So what is getting? Is getting the bill. Bills receivable account debit. Give her the credit. Who is giving the bill? Ayush is giving the bill. Ayush account amount will be 6,000 rupees and 6,000 rupees. So out of receiving total 3 bills, 6,000, 5,000 and 4,000, 6,000 we have endorsed. Now comes to the second bill. What happened? So the second bill was discounted with bank. Actually second bill will be discounted after 2 months. So 2 months before only the first bill got its maturity date. 2 months తర్వాత మనం సెకండ్ బిల్ బ్యాంక్ లో పంపిస్తాము. సో అందులో బిఫోర్ ఫస్ట్ బిల్ డేట్ వచ్చేసింది కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ విల్ రైట్ ద ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ ఫర్ దిస్ బిల్. వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్? సో డెఫినెట్లీ who will pay the cash? The Pratham will pay the cash. And who will receive the cash? Adarsh will receive the cash. So in the books of Ayush there will be no entry. Adarsh book lo entry ఉంటుంది ఎందుకంటే దగ్గర బిల్ లేదు కాబట్టి. Bill has sent to Adarsh. So what he will give? He will receive the cash and he will give it back the bills receivable what he have. అతని దగ్గర ఉన్న బిల్ ఇచ్చేసి క్యాష్ తీసేసుకుంటాడు. 6,000 and 6,000. Next, what the Pratham will do? Here, Pratham will pay the cash. What portion is credit? What he receives, what the bill is paid. This payable account debit to cash account 6,000 rupees అండ్ 6000 రూపీస్. ఆ ఫస్ట్ బిల్ అనేది ప్రథమ్ ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి ప్రథమ్ క్యాష్ పే చేస్తున్నాడు. ఆ బిల్ ఆధార్ జరిగింది కాబట్టి ఆధార్ రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటాడు. ఆయుష్ బుక్స్లో ఎలాంటి ఎంట్రీ ఉండదు. నౌ కమ్స్ ద సెకండ్ బిల్. Second bill, what he has done? The second bill was discounted with bank for 4,900 rupees. Second bill value is 5,000. So, when you are discounting, cash will come to the bank account. Bank account debit, discount account debit to a bills receivable na avasam ledhu ichestam మనం to bills receivable account. This will be the amount of the second bill amount is 5,000. But how much is getting to the bank? They are saying as discounted is 4,900. So 100 will be the discount. Next, the books of Pratham will going to be. He will receive the bills payable account debit. అతను పే చేయాలి అమౌంట్ బ్యాంక్ పే చేయాలి. బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ ఎంత పే చేయాలి? He has to pay 5,000 rupees. If you see the transaction here, the Ayush will get only 4,900. But the Pratham will pay 5,000 rupees. So in the between discount will be earned by the bank. The bank 100 rupees తీసుకొని 4,900 Ayush కి హ్యాండ్ ఓవర్ చేస్తుంది. But Pratham మాత్రం ప్రథమ్కి ఎలాంటి డిస్కౌంట్ ఉండదు. He has to pay total 55,000 rupees to the bank. And next, the third bill was sent for bank for collection. The first bill అయిపోయింది, second bill అయిపోయింది, ఇప్పుడు third bill. Third bill ఏం చేసాం? We have sent for bank for collection. So we are sending means what goes out is bills receivable. What is coming in? We should not write the bank bills sent for collection account debit to bills receivable account. And the amount 4,000 rupees and 4,000 rupees. So here we are sending the bill to the bank. But you are not saying that the bill has been cleared by the bank. Maybe it may get discounted also. So what we will say? We are saying only the information. We are giving the information in the transaction that we have sent the bill for the bank. But later, definitely they said that in the question on the due dates, all the bills were duly met by Pratham. Means all are honored. So here we are getting the amount. What we are getting? Bank. We are getting the amount to the bank. So bank will be the receiver. Bank will comes in is debit. And goes out is bill sent for collection amount 4,000 rupees and 4,000 rupees. So and this entry will be also affected in the books of Pratham. What he has to do? At this page is 4,000 rupees. He is receiving the bill and he is paying the amount to the bank. Amount 4,000 rupees and 4,000 rupees. So E entry అనేది will be affected in the books of Ayush and the books of Pratham. But when it comes to the remaining issues in the books of others, only the receiving and the payment has having only one bill. So there will be entries, two entries in the books of others. There will be different types of entries in the books of Pratham and there will be different entries in the books of Ayush. So in this way we have to prepare the journal entries in their own set of books. We'll go with the next type of problem. Yeah, comes to the next problem. That is problem number 7 and the page number 820. So we are seeing the different varieties of problems in the different situations, how the entries will be entertained. So comes to the problem number 7, page number 820. A bill of exchange for 1,000 rupees is drawn by Ram and Company on Shyam and Company. So first here we have to find out who is the seller and who is the purchaser. Seller and purchaser. So seller will be the Ram and Company and the purchaser will be the Shyam and Company. So because Ram and Company is drawing the bill on Shyam, so Shyam is giving the bill. And actually by the letter payable at Andhra Bank. Show the journal entries in the books of account of Ram and Company under the following circumstances. So here they are asking only to prepare the set of books in the books of Ram and Company under the various situations. There is circumstances they are given. So ఒక situation of bill around. We are taking only one bill, that is 1,000 rupees. So other bill various four situations, four circumstances. In the various circumstances, how it will be affected the journality, that we have to show them. So first circumstance is, if they retain the bill till the due date and realized on maturity. So due date వరకు అతని దగ్గర పెట్టుకొని తర్వాత మెచ్యూరిటీ డేట్ రోజు అతను క్యాష్ తీసుకున్నాడు. So first we have tried. First we receive the bill. So first we start with bills receivable account debit to Sham and Company. To Sham and Company we have received 1000. First one bill తీసుకున్నాం. Next circumstance number 1. Circumstance number 1. If they retain the bill till the due date and realized means they are taking the cash. So what is coming here? Cash account debit. What is going? This receivable will go up. This receivable account 1000 rupees is in the cash and they will return back the bills receivable. Oh. And the second transaction, second circumstance, you can see in the page number 821 B. If they got it discounted with their bankers, so here they are sending the bill to the banker and they are getting the discount of 980 rupees. So if they send to the bank account debit, discount is also getting discount account debit. Whatever the bill we have that you have to send out, this receivable account amount, this is bill amount is 1000, bank amount they are getting only 980. So the discount we have to take next 20. So just we have to understand there is only one bill. Just we are seeing under what circumstances the transaction will be. Okay, bill different situations లో ఎలా ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది అనేది చూస్తున్నాం అంతే. బట్ we should not understand that there are four more bills. Okay, వేరే బిల్స్ లేవు, ఒకటే. Circumstance number 3. If they endorse it over to the creditor Balram and Company in full settlement of their dues of 1050. So here Ram and Company is there. So he wants to endorse the bill to his creditor, that is Balram and Company. అతను క్రెడిటర్ కి ఎండోర్స్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాడు. సో ఇన్ ద సెటిల్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ 1050. యాక్చువల్లీ తన దగ్గర ఉన్న బిల్ వచ్చే వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి 1000 రూపీస్ మాత్రమే. బట్ అతనికి మనం 1050 ఇవ్వాలి. సో ఫుల్ సెటిల్మెంట్ కింద వి ఆర్ పేయింగ్ దిస్ బిల్. సో receiver the debit. Who is receiving the bill now? Balram and Company account debit to bills receivable, means he is giving the bill receivable. So actually Balram Company get the 1050. How much bill we are giving? 1000 rupees. Here you can see debit and credit are not equal. In the account debit and credit should be always equal. 2 is giving the discount for 50 rupees. So Balram and Company what he is giving? He is giving the discount of 50 rupees and he is receiving the bill. This is the type of endorsement. Now fourth one. If they send to the bill to the bank for collection, same bill man bank collection को आप इसे entry. Here the entry will be bill sent for collection account debit to bank account 1000 rupees and 1000 rupees. But after writing the bill sent for collection, we know that the bill has been honored. So we have to write as bank account debit to bill sent for collection. Every bill sent for collection chestamu, we will write two entries here. One is sent and one is received the amount. So these are the various circumstances we see of the same bill. Because మనం Ram and Company మాత్రమే ప్రిపేర్ చేసినాం. We are not preparing any accounts in the books of Sham or Balram. So only the books of Ram, how the bill will be affected in the various situations when it is due date was clear and it was mature, and when the bill sent for bank with a discount, when the bill was endorsed, when the bill sent for bank sent for collection. So in the various circumstances the entries will be different in nature. Guys, come to the next problem. This is problem number 10, page number 821. If you see the problem number 10, question number C. P draws a bill on Q for rupees 600. Q accepts the same. P endorses the bill to R and R to T. T discounts the bill for rupees 575. On the due date, the bill is dishonored. Show the journals in the books of all the parties. So here there are 4 people. First person name is P, second person is Q, third is R, fourth one is T. So we have to prepare the journals in the books of P, in the books of Q, in the books of R, and the books of T. So first we have to understand what's happening here, because there is only one bill and it has been endorsed from one person to another. So what this I will explain first here. First, P draws a bill of rupees 600. So P is drawing the bill for Q. So here P is the seller, he is the purchaser. So he is getting the bill receivable. So he is paying the bill. This payable. Right. So next, Q also accepted. So he has given the bag. So P endorses the bill. So here, first Q is giving the bill, and again the bill is endorsing to R. P endorses the bill to R. First, P sold the goods to Q. Q accepted. He has given the bill, and after P is endorsing to the R. And what the R has given? Again, after getting R endorsed to T. So P has given the bill to Q, and P has given the bill to R, and R is given to the T. And what the T is given? T sent to bank. See, only one bill are transferred from Q to P, P to R, R to T, and T to bank. So these are the various situations we are seeing here. So how the bill will be affected? And later here, the bill has been dishonored. The bill honor the bill dishonored అయింది. సో చూసుకోండి, ఫస్ట్ Q ఏం చేశాడు? P కి బిల్ ఇచ్చాడు. P బిల్ పెట్టుకోవాలి కదా, సో అతను ఏం చేశాడు? R కి ఎండార్స్ చేశాడు. R పెట్టుకోవాల్సింది R T కి ఎండార్స్ చేశాడు. T ఎవరికి ఇవ్వకుండా బ్యాంక్ కి పంపిస్తే బ్యాంక్ లో బిల్ డిస్హోనర్ అయిపోయింది. సో అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఏం చేయాలి? మళ్ళీ అతనికి బిల్ పంపించాలి, మళ్ళీ అతని బిల్ పంపించాలి. సో అదే సేమ్ Q ఇతనికి అమౌంట్ ఏం ఇవ్వలేదు అని ఇక్కడ సిచ్యువేషన్ అన్నమాట. సో ఆ సిచ్యువేషన్ మనం ఎలా ఉంటుందో విల్ సీ ద డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ బుక్స్. So first ఏమైంది ఇక్కడ? P has drawn the bill on Q. So Q is paying the bill and P is receiving. So if you see here in the books of P, he is receiving the bill. అతను బిల్ రిసీవ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. Bills receivable account debit, giver the rate. Who is giving? Q is giving. Q account. Amount, bill amount 600 and 600. Entry process. మళ్ళీ ఈ ఎంట్రీ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? ఇన్ ద బుక్స్ ఆఫ్ Q, బికాస్ రిసీవింగ్ ద డెబిట్. హూ ఇస్ రిసీవర్? P's account debit to bills payable account. ఇతను పే చేస్తున్నాడు. పే చేస్తున్నాడు, Pకి పే చేస్తున్నాడు. అమౌంట్ 600 ఓవర్. ఫస్ట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఇస్ ఓవర్. తర్వాత ఏం జరిగింది? P has endorsed the bill to R. P is endorsed the bill to R. So what is the entry here? ఎవరికి ఇస్తున్నాడు? రిసీవర్. సో రిసీవర్ ద డెబిట్. R అకౌంట్ డెబిట్ ఏమైపోతుంది అతని దగ్గర నుంచి? బిల్. బిల్స్ రిసీవబుల్ అకౌంట్ 600 రూపీస్ and 600 rupees. So where can put the bill? The books of R. So what he is receiving again? He is receiving the bills receivable account to give her the rate. Who is giving? P account. Amount ఎంత? 600 600. ఇతను బిల్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఇతను దాంట్లో ఎఫెక్ట్ అయింది. సో ఇతను బిల్ ఇస్తున్నప్పుడు ఇతను బుక్ అండ్ ఇతను బుక్ లో ఎఫెక్ట్ అయింది. డన్. సో నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్? R అగైన్ హి ఇస్ ఎండోర్స్ ద బిల్ టు T. మళ్ళీ R ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? అతనికి ఏదైతే బిల్ వచ్చిందో ఆ బిల్ T కి ఇస్తున్నాడు. సో ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి రైట్ ఇన్ ద బుక్స్ ఆఫ్ R. వాట్ ఇస్ మీన్? రిసీవర్ డెబిట్. ద రిసీవర్ T is receiver. T account debit. तो अतन बिल ఏదైతే ఉందో అది వెళ్ళిపోతుంది బయటికి. వాట్ గోస్ ఆన్ దిస్ క్రెడిట్? బిల్ రిసీవబుల్ అకౌంట్ 600 600. ఇతను బిల్ రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాడు ఫ్రమ్ R. బిల్స్ రిసీవబుల్ అకౌంట్ డెబిట్ టు ఎవరి నుంచి రిసీవ్ చేసుకున్నాడు? R. గివ్ ద క్రెడిట్. R అకౌంట్ 600 rupees and 600 rupees. చూడండి, first bill he has paid, he has received, that received debit again became credit here, again here become debited, again credited, here is debited. So ఇక్కడ ఉంది bill final. So what he has done? First he has to send the bill for the bank. Bank information. So అతనికి ఏమవుతుంది? entry bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable account. అతను బ్యాంక్లో వేసాము డబ్బులు వచ్చింది అనుకున్నాం. ఎంత వచ్చింది? 575. అయితే బిల్ అమౌంట్ ఎంత? 600. సో డిస్కౌంట్ ఎంత? 25 rupees. Always the debit should be equal. So అట్లయింది. So actually bill discount అయితే మొదలైనా the bill has been discounted. Actually we thought that we are getting the amount, but later after 3 to 4 days we got the information that the bill has been discounted from the account. So problem to the again bank what will do? Bills receivable account debit to bank account. Actually here we thought that we got the amount, means what comes in is debit. So money from cash వచ్చేసి bank will be debited here. But later what happened? The bill has been discounted. Here I am writing the narration also. Bill discounted. Discounted అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? బ్యాంక్ డెబిట్ అవుతుంది, బ్యాంక్ will be credited. Again అదర్ బిల్ అక్కడికి వచ్చేసింది. Bills used account debit to bank account. అమౌంట్ ఎంత? 600 ఇక్కడ డిస్కౌంట్ ఉంది. ఓకే రైట్. సో ఇతను బిల్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తాడు? టీ అనే పర్సన్ when the bill is dishonored again he will approach the R because T has taken the bill from R. T అనే అతను బిల్ R దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకున్నాడు కాబట్టి R దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోతాడు. R దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళేసి బిల్ ఇచ్చేస్తాడు. సో అవసరం లేదు బికాజ్ హియర్ ది ఎంట్రీ విల్ బి హియర్. సో ఇతను ఏం చేస్తాడు? మళ్ళీ డిస్కౌంట్ అయింది కాబట్టి అదే ద బిల్ విల్ సెండ్ టు ద P. So P will be debited. P's account debit to T's account. Amount will be 600. మనకి ఏంటి ఉంది? పర్సనల్ అకౌంటింగ్ రూల్స్. Receiver the debit, giver the credit. Who is giving? T is giving. Who is receiving? P is receiving now. So P's account debit to T's account. So what will happen here? Now comes here P. What will be the entry in the books of P? ఇతను ఏం చేస్తాడు? Receiver the debit, giver the credit. ఇక్కడ ఎవరు ఇస్తున్నారు బిల్? R is giving the bill. So giver the credit. So here again what the P has to do? ఇక్కడ R నుంచి మనకు బిల్ వచ్చేసిన తర్వాత ఆ బిల్ మనం అక్కడ ఇచ్చారు, మళ్ళీ Q కి ఇచ్చారు. అంటే బిల్ డిస్కౌంట్ అయింది. సో ఇతనికి కూడా అమౌంట్ రానట్టే కదా. సో వాట్ వి హావ్ టు డూ హియర్? Receiver the debit. Who is receiving the bill? Q will receive the bill now. Q account debit to bills payable account. The entry will be Q account debit to bills payable account 600 rupees and 600 rupees. Money in the books of Q. Here we have write as and then bill అయితే పే చేయాలి, డిస్కౌంట్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి సేమ్ బిల్ మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ వస్తుంది. Bills payable account debit P will be credited to P's account 600 rupees and 600 rupees. So same to same is మళ్ళీ Q అనేది P కి అమౌంట్ ఇవ్వాల్సిందే. That's why P will be credited here. So in this way different books of entries will be clear. So here directly we can write as the bills is the place of bills receivable. Actually we can write as 2 or 4 entries, bills receivable to bank and later again bills has to be credited. So here what we will do directly we can write as R's account debit to bank account also we can write it directly because not of writing the one other entry. So we can write as R's account debit to the bank account because here R is the receiver and the bank is the credit side. So in this way we have to write the entries when the bill has been endorsed between 2 or 3 or 4 persons. So in this is the entries in the books of P, in the books of Q, in the books of R and the books of T. Thank you for